what we have is restoration, family of restoration plans. Mag ano, hinto tayo kasi akyat tayo ng burol. Kasi isa yan sa pinaka-importante din na ano, ingredients. So, this is a love potion to. Pero halos yung mga ingredients nasa gilid lang ng kalsada. So, yung mga lahat ng dumidikit, nakadepende ito sa karakter, pangalan, at hugis ng tanim na kumakapit, nagtatawag, nagpapalambot ng puso. And faith of the patient to a certain healer is really, he have the faith that he will be cured with that healer. So, he has that one and he submitted himself. And plus the one element of miracle is the intention of the healer to help. So with that meets, miracles happen.
It's aligned.
Yeah. It's even beyond human explanation.
Imaginable.
But science will never accept that. They just tell.
They need proof.
Yeah, they branded that. They have a term for that as placebo effect.
Okay.
So ito na siya. Okay. So we need this one.
Okay.
I will reveal the secret of this later. Getting something from the bell tower. So yung kampanaryo, nagtatawag yon. Kasi dati, pag nagring yung kampanaryo, yung mga tao, nagkukumpul yun, magsidatingan. So still pagtatawag. Pero ang kukunin natin, anything na nakadikit dito. Pwedeng gawin yung ano, kayo na mag ano, mga ferns dyan. Ito, mga anything. Ito, mga ferns to. Basta nakadikit sa kampanaryo kasi yun yung konsepto ng pagtatawag. Kasi what we have is, what we gonna do is a personalized love potion. So, kailangang may element galing sa'yo. So, this is the first step. You have to wet it with your saliva. The wind is so strong. Yung sinasali nila, what they mix usually is a perfume, but the perfume has a one scent only of a certain flower. But if you want it more powerful, you use honey. Bakit? Kasi lahat ng tamis ng nasa bulaklak mayroon ito. Kasi yung iba, to strengthen the love potion, nilalagyan rin ito lahat ng klase ng bulaklak kasi para silang bulaklak na dinadalaw ng mga bubuyog. So, that's the concept.